Well,
I was telling you you were filming your hand.
Hey, trying to
it
do a
wasn't
haul.
filming.
Oh, was it filming?
Sideways, call it good.
Getting tired.
All right, we've got 2 more in our pro mod class. That's Gary Evans, 48 Fiat, out of Payson, Utah. He calls it uncontrolled chaos.
Tom, I remember now. Your dad, yeah, it was Big Tom, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Right,
How's your dad
yeah.
been?